Tab and Windows shortcuts. Open a new window. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+N. Mac shortcuts, Command+N. Pause the video and try. Open a new window in incognito mode. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+N. Mac shortcuts, Command+Shift+N. Pause the video and try. Open a new tab, and jump to IT. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+T. Mac shortcuts, Command+T. Pause the video and try. Reopen previously closed tabs in the order they were closed. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+T. Mac shortcuts, Command+Shift+T. Pause the video and try. Jump to the next open tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+Tab or Ctrl+Page down. Mac shortcuts, Command+Option+Right arrow. Pause the video and try. Jump to the previous open tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+Tab or Ctrl+Page up. Mac shortcuts, Command+Option+Left arrow. Pause the video and try. Jump to a specific tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+1 through Ctrl+8. Mac shortcuts, Command+1 through Command+8. Pause the video and try. Jump to the rightmost tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+9. Mac shortcuts, Command+9. Pause the video and try. Open your home page in the current tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt+Home. Pause the video and try. Open the previous page from your browsing history in the current tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt+Left arrow. Mac shortcuts, Command+Bracket or Command+Left arrow. Pause the video and try. Open the next page from your browsing history in the current tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt+Right arrow. Mac shortcuts, Command+Bracket or Command+Right arrow. Pause the video and try. Close the current tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+W or Ctrl+F4. Mac shortcuts, Command+W. Pause the video and try. Close the current window. Windows and Linux shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+W or Alt+F4. Mac shortcuts, Command+Shift+W. Pause the video and try. Minimize the current window. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt+N. Mac shortcuts, Command+M. Pause the video and try. Maximize the current window. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt+X. Pause the video and try. Quit Google Chrome. Windows and Linux shortcut, Alt plus F then X. Mac shortcuts, Command plus Q. Pause the video and try. Thank you.